When you are ready with preparing your case setup, you are ready to submit your case. Click the Submit button and a window will pop up. Here you can choose which type of design you want to run. First of all, you need to choose between a detailed design and a conceptual design. A detailed design is a high-resolution design with accurate results and a guaranteed manufacturability. A conceptual design is a good first estimation. It's faster, but it doesn't guarantee manufacturability. Within the detailed design and the conceptual design, you also have two choices. Either you can run them on 100 credits, and then you will have a result in 4 weeks for the detailed design, or 2 weeks for the conceptual design, or you can choose for the option of 85 credits, then it will take a little bit longer. For the conceptual design, you will need to wait 2 weeks and 2 days, and the detailed design will take 4 weeks and 4 days to run, because you will have less computational resources for this case. Once you know which you want to choose, you just select it and you click OK, and the case will be submitted and the amount of credits will be subtracted from your total amount of credits.